Hello, this is Stephanie with Market. This tutorial is for employees who are using the app for the first time. This will show you how to log in and navigate the basic features of the app. After the owner has created an employee profile for you, you will receive a password to log in. First, you'll download the Market app. Once you have it opened, you will select Log In. It's very important to press Log In instead of Sign Up because you are logging in under your owner's account and not creating a new one. From here, you're going to use your phone number, your email address, and the password that was given to you to log in. You want to allow the Market app to access your phone's location so that you can use the navigation features properly. This is the main screen. Yours might look different depending on what your permissions are. First, we have the Clock In and Out button. When you arrive to work and get ready for the day, you would press Clock In to begin your time. If you go into Schedule, this is where you'll view work orders that have been assigned to you for that day. By tapping on the appointment, you'll go into the work order view, where you have several options. From here, if you press the Arrival button on the bottom left corner, you can submit a message to your customer with your ETA and let them know that you're on the way. By doing this, you're going to start the arrival time from your dispatch location to your customer's house. Now, from the work order, you also have the Start, Pause, Complete, and More buttons on the bottom. The More button acts as a second menu. From here, you can do things like request a signature, you can request a change order, reschedule, or add notes. If you press Start, it will begin the clock for that job and allow you to notify your customers that you've begun for the day. You can also uncheck the box if you don't want them to be notified, and then press the check mark in the upper right corner to send. If you need to pause the timer for that job or take a break and reschedule, you'll just press Pause, and when you're finished with the job, you will press Complete. By pressing Complete, this will also log you out. If you don't have invoice permissions, you will then go back to your schedule and then click on your next work order, and that will start your timer for the day all over again. The owner will be able to see all the times that you were using those buttons throughout the day and the total time for the day in your time log. If you do have invoicing permissions and have auto-convert a work order into an invoice turned on, once pressed completed, you'll be taken automatically into an invoice draft. I have this feature turned off, so now my work order has been marked as completed, and we're going to convert this into an invoice from the More screen, and then choosing Convert to Invoice. So, here's all the information from our work order moved over to our invoice. You just want to make sure that everything there is as you like, and then press the check mark in the upper right corner to save. Now we have a draft invoice. We can choose to send it to our customer if they are not present, or we can press the Pay Now button to record a payment and send our customer a receipt. So, this invoice has now been paid in full, and you can go back into your schedule and repeat the process with the next job. So, this concludes the basic workflow for using our Market app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.